The mysterious visitor in the forest. On a summer afternoon, cicadas buzzed lazily in the trees. A little rabbit was napping under the shade when a loud crack of breaking branches startled him. He pricked his ears and looked around, noticing distant bushes shaking violently. "Oh no!" the rabbit cried. "There's a monster chewing the trees." Terrifying. A squirrel clutching a pine cone scurried over, trembling. It's long and thin, flattening the grass. Maybe a giant lizard. Nonsense. A hedgehog popped out from the undergrowth. I heard it snorting. It must be a wild boar. The three argued fiercely until a deer arrived. "I smell grass and wild berries. It's probably a fruit-loving creature. Let's hide behind the tree and watch," the rabbit suggested. Moments later, the bushes shook again. "I see a gray wall moving," the squirrel gasped. Before he finished, a vine suddenly snatched wild fruits from a tree. "It's a fruit-eating python." The hedgehog curled into a ball. "Wait!" The bravest deer stepped closer. "Let me touch this wall. Oh, why is it warm?" Just then, Grandpa Owl fluttered down from a branch, chuckling. "Children, this is Auntie Elephant. She's new to our forest." Sunlight filtered through the leaves, revealing Auntie Elephant's full form. Her massive body, pillar-like legs, dexterous trunk, and fin-like ears. "So sorry for startling you," Auntie Elephant said, swishing her slender tail. "My tail brushed the grass, and my trunk picked the fruits." The rabbit blushed. "I only saw moving bushes and thought it was a monster." The hedgehog scratched his head. "I saw the long trunk and thought it was a python climbing the tree." The squirrel leapt onto Auntie's back. "Now we see. Auntie Elephant isn't a wall or a snake. She's a friend who can reach high fruits and spray water with her trunk." At sunset, Auntie used her trunk to pluck apples the deer couldn't reach. The hedgehog scattered cool mint leaves on her back. As she helped reinforce the rabbit's burrow with her feet, laughter echoed through the forest. That night, the animals learned a lesson. When encountering something new, observe it fully, don't judge based on partial impressions. Like a puzzle, only when all pieces come together do you see the whole picture.